Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a great day. I hope your stock portfolios are doing well. And today we have a very exciting investment in the battery storage and energy space. This is a stock that Citron Research recently came out and said has a $100 price target, which would put it 3x returns from where it is now. On top of this, many analysts are saying this stock has the potential to at least double this year. And finally, this stock just underwent a merger with a SPAC. And so today we're going to talk about Peak Energy Transition, stock ticker symbol STPK. Peak recently completed a merger with STEM Inc., positioning the company as an industry leader within the smart energy storage market. STEM is an energy storage company with a focus on battery systems, network integration, and battery optimization. The thing that you really need to focus on with this company is the massive potential of the market, which is $1.2 trillion, and that they have a proprietary technology called Athena Artificial Intelligence, which essentially enables customers to alternate between using on-site power, off-site power, or battery power in general. So I think you're really going to like what we have to say about this stock, so make sure to stick around until the end. But if you enjoy this sort of content, well then please be sure to like the video down below, subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notifications so you can be notified every time I post a new video, and comment down below what you think of Peak Energy at the end of the video. Let me know your thoughts on it and if you like the stock, because me personally, I think this is a great investment for 2021 and over the next couple of years. For those of you who are new here, my name is Michael. I'm an investor and entrepreneur, and last year alone, our public investing account on Patreon, which is currently sitting around $595,000, was up over 105%. So if you like to see investments I'm making in real time, when I buy a stock, when I sell a stock, if you want exclusive content that I don't share on YouTube, and if you want access to our Discord channel where we talk about investments, new IPOs that are coming up, and all different types of stocks in separate industries, then make sure to join our group using the link down below. We do have limited number of spots left. So anyways, Peak Energy recently underwent a merger with STEM, and STEM is an energy storage company with a focus on battery storage systems, network integration, and battery optimization. The company makes use of its Athena Artificial Intelligence. This is its proprietary software, which has over 20 patents, is on over 900 plus sites, and has had over 16 million plus hours of runtime. And as this software is run more and more on more sites, well, it's just going to get better and better, which will lead to more revenue for the company in the future. So Athena Artificial Intelligence is an operating system. Essentially, it tells the batteries what to do. It tells the energy distribution and storage systems what to do. And it allows people to alternate between using on-site power, off-site power, and even go to battery power. The SPAC, which recently completed, values the company at $1.35 billion, and at filming this video, the company currently has a valuation of $1.15 billion. So it's gone up a little bit since the merger, since all of this news has come out, but still I think there is a lot of upside for the company. The way that STEM makes money, which is the company that Peak Motors merged with, is that they offer battery hardware produced by big name OEMs such as Tesla and Samsung and LG. STEM essentially buys this hardware, retrofits it with their AI technology, puts their AI technology on it, and then takes them to customers and sells them to customers. So essentially they're just adding their proprietary Athena Artificial Intelligence technology to these battery systems, battery storage systems, and then they sell them to customers. One thing to keep in mind with Peak Energy acquisition, one thing that I really like about the company is that right now, with electric vehicle startups and solar valuations looking very high right now, some people even would call it a bubble right now. I'm not quite sure if I would call it a bubble, but many analysts are calling it a bubble. But one thing that every single analyst, most analysts agree on, is that if there's to be a transition over to green energy, which is what Joe Biden is pushing for with his $2 trillion package, which is going to be for sustainable energy, And with everything the way it's looking with the push towards sustainable energy, one presumption is that an enhanced grid system is required, and Peak Energy offers just the answer with their AI energy storage solutions through STEM Inc. So their solution, their proprietary technology with Athena, is the exact solution that we're going to need and that the US and every household is going to need in order to help transition over to sustainable energy. This is a $1.2 trillion market, and currently there aren't many big players in this space. Peak Energy is only a $1.5 billion market cap company, and they have robust revenue growth for the future already projected. Peak isn't like many of the other companies in this space, let's say like a QuantumScape, which essentially right now is just a research company. They don't have any products that they could develop yet, and they're not going to have them for years. But Peak Energy actually has an established product. They have solid revenue guidance already in place, allowing for really decreased downside risk, and there's very minimal risk of investing in this company with a huge upside potential. Revenue is estimated to top the $1 billion mark by late 2025 as both margins and orders continue to grow and continue to get better. This is really important, the $1 billion revenue number, because right now companies like SolarEdge, Enphase Energy, Sunrun all brought in around $1 billion last year and all trade right around the $20 billion market cap range right now. So if Peak Energy was to do the same thing and generate $1 billion in revenue, well, then their stock would have about a 10 to 15x potential where it is right now, because it's only trading at $1.5 billion, and to be at the same valuation as Enphase Energy, which is at $20 billion, or SolarEdge, which is around $20 billion, well, then it would need to at least 10 to 15x from where it is right now. And many people expect that it could easily reach these revenue numbers in the future, especially with the money that Joe Biden is planning on spending in the sustainable energy space, and with just the transition in general from consumers wanting to be more green and switch over from carbon emissions to sustainable energy sources. So that is really good for the company moving forward. I think there's a lot of potential. And on top of all this, if you just look at valuations, this is a good investment in sustainable energy space right now, because STPK estimates a more than 50% discount in its price right now in relation to its peers based on future growth prospects. So if you're looking to make an investment in the sustainable energy space, the battery storage space, right now, actually, STPK is one of the best investments, the cheapest investments you can make, because it is undervalued relative to its 2021 and 2022 revenue projection numbers. I personally think that Peak Energy could conservatively and easily double in 2021, and according to Citron Research, they think that the company has a $100 price target right now, which would put it about 3.5x where the stock is right now. But either way I see it is right now this stock has very minimal risks. The main risk for a company like this is running out of cash or having a bad balance sheet, but with the merger, the company has $525 million of cash, no debt, and they have very little negatives for the future. They're growing rapidly. Their solution is proprietary technology. They have patents on it, and it's actually going to be needed to transition every single household from just a traditional power grid over to battery storage solutions and off-site energy as well. So I think there's very, very little downside, a lot of upside for the stock, especially if you're looking at it as even a 2-year investment. If you're looking at it over a couple of months, there may be a pullback. If you want to wait, you could maybe get in at a lower price. But personally, I'm going to invest in this company right away. I think it's a great investment at the current price. I think there's a lot of upside potential, and I think it could easily 2 or 3x this year. And if things go well and they do reach that $1 billion revenue number by 2025, then they'll be at a $20 billion valuation, which would 10 to 15x your money from where it is right now. All these numbers, I think, are very possible. I think it is very realistic to think this with the industry they're in, which is a $1.5 trillion industry over the next couple of years. I think battery storage, energy solutions are going to continue to be the main drivers of growth for many stocks. We've seen EV startups have had a massive run in 2020. They're already doing well in 2021. And I think we're just going to continue to see this growth because the world needs sustainable energy, and it's not going to go away until every single household has some sort of software like Star Peak and Stem's Athena software integrated into their household. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know your thoughts on this stock. Do you think Citron Research and their price target of $100 is too low, or do you think it's too high? What do you think about the stock? Are you going to invest in it? I'd like to hear your thoughts. So anyways, don't forget to get your 4 free stocks, each valued up to $1,600, when you download the Webull investing app using the link down below. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.